Alright, architecture lovers, let's take a quick journey to the heart of Vienna. Because you can't talk about this city without mentioning St. Stephen's Cathedral. This isn't just a church, it's a living piece of history, and a true icon of medieval architecture. Standing tall since the 12th century, St. Stephen's tells a story through its stones. You'll spot the Romanesque roots in the sturdy base, but look up, and you'll see the bold, soaring lines of Gothic ambition, especially that south tower. It rockets 136 meters into the sky, dominating Vienna's skyline and making you feel tiny, in the best way possible. But the real showstopper? That roof. Those colorful zigzag tiles aren't just for show, they're a symbol, featuring Vienna's coat of arms and the double-headed eagle, tying the city to centuries of history. Step inside, and it's like walking into another era. Chapels, altars, tombs, each corner packed with detail. The Gothic pulpit is a sculptural masterpiece, and the tombs are so ornate, you half expect the Habsburgs to step out and say hello. St. Stephen's has seen it all, from royal coronations to surviving wars and rising again after destruction. It's not just an architectural wonder, but a living symbol of Vienna's spirit and resilience. So next time you're in Vienna, or just dreaming of it, remember, St. Stephen's isn't just a landmark, it's the beating heart of the city, holding centuries of art, faith, and ambition beneath those legendary tiles. Now isn't that worth seeing up close? Like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.